Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is the day I've been waiting for. Something came through the mail this morning. It's right behind me. If you remembered from the previous video, I said that I was going to change something. It was a package from Australia, and I'm really excited to show you guys it today. So I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. I want to dive straight in, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy today's video. Right, so let's have a look at what's inside this box. So get some packaging. Give you some ASMR experience, and you're immediately greeted with the actual products themselves. I think these are the adapters, and we have, I don't know what that is. Can anyone tell me what that is? Because I have no idea what that is. We have an Allen key. Sorry if you can see that. We have this is the actual shifter. I went with the thick boy. Packaging is really nice, so premium quality, and yeah, I've already opened it up. I sort of cut around this, and this is what it looks like. Bam! Oh, it's upside down. Cool. I went for the black color. I wanted to go for the unicorn vomit, but they didn't have them, so it's a nice sort of matte finish. It's really weighted. This is why I wanted one of these. I think they said this is about 500 grams, so the shifter on my car at the moment feels like nothing, so it doesn't feel like I'm shifting, if that makes sense. You almost want a nice weighted gear knob, because when you put it into gears, that makes it more satisfying, if that makes sense. So that's the gear knob. And then this, I didn't really need to get this, but I thought I wanted to have something a little bit different on the car. They call this the Suzuka. You might be thinking, what is that? Looks very confusing, but it all makes sense once I reveal it to you guys. Let's just remove this. Oh yeah. Bam. And I think this is gonna go really nicely with the black thick boy. I think this is the Pro Edition. I'm not too sure. I can't remember, but this is a weird contraption. And no, this is not something that you sit on, guys, but you know, if that's what you're into, then yeah, we don't discriminate on this channel. Anyways, brand is called wearelikewise. Don't know if you could see that. It's there, and it's also right there. I recommend you look on their website. The turnaround time was about 2 weeks. So this is the black with the neochrome centerpiece. You see there, you get 2 Allen keys. That's what the Allen key's for. And the way this works is that attaches to your gear knob, the stem thing, whatever you want to call it, and then obviously that is a threaded part, which then this threads into. The reason I like this is because you can adjust it to whatever position you want, what height. So you can have it closer to you. I'm in the UK, so closer to me, further away from me, down below, up here, like literally the world is yours. So you can sort of choose how it looks in your car. So that's why I wanted it done. If you guys like them, make sure to check them out. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Go check them out and support them. It's time to put them on the car. I decided to put the top down because it's really nice outside, and you can see the interior a lot better. If you haven't seen my previous video of me, I don't know if you can see it, but over there, I decided to wrap my A-pillars in this Gucci fabric. If you want to watch that video and learn how to do it yourself, there's a link up here somewhere. Make sure to go watch that video first, and then come back to this video where we could do the shifter install. But yeah, they look really nice from inside the car. Time to get rid of this old shift knob and replace it with the new one. Yeah, I changed my mind. I decided to put the roof back up because the lighting and the glare was all over the place. It's all about lighting when it comes into filming, and yeah, it just wasn't very good. So removing this is just straightforward. You get your 14mm spanner. It just goes off like that. But before I do this, just want to say, how is everyone coping with the whole isolation, the whole COVID-19? I'm sorry if you guys have lost your jobs, or you guys are suffering, or you're going through some hard times. I know it kind of sucks, but remember, life is full of ups and downs, and this is just a major down at the moment, not just for like a certain country, but everyone is going through the same things. Support everyone. I just want to say thank you to the NHS in the UK for doing such a great job of helping everyone in need, and everyone like that, everyone just getting involved and just getting stuck in and trying to fight this virus. I really can't wait to bounce back from all this and then go back into reality, because it's been a week off work and I just feel like for some reason I feel like useless. I don't know if that's because of the whole routine, but I just feel like I need to do something more productive. Thought I'd pick the camera back up and start YouTubing again. I just wanted to say that real quick. I hope you guys are doing well. Keep your mind busy, keep your mind occupied, and use this time now to learn something new. You've got about, I don't know how long you've got isolation for. Like, try and learn something new, try and find something that you love and work towards it. Some of you guys don't like your jobs, maybe this is now the right time to go look at something that you enjoy doing. Learn about it on the internet, just do something you're passionate about. Time will fly, and trust me, you'll be a lot happier. Right, now I've got to figure out how to take this adapter off, because this is absolutely stuck on there. I've got my vice grips. I'm just gonna do something like this. There we go. Cool. If you want this Dragon Balls, I'm more than happy to give it away for free. I think the thread on this is M1.5. So if you have a M1.5 thread, then let me know. I'm more than happy to send this out to one of you guys if you really do want it. I've seen the instructions online. First step is to wind this in, this bit first, and then I'm guessing, I think this goes on top, and you lock the two together, and then you're gonna grab this piece here, and we're simply just gonna wind it in. Oh, that's satisfying. Listen to that. Oh, I like that noise. Shall I just leave it like this? Oh, that feels really good. That feels really good. Maybe We Are Likewise should do something like this, and maybe just design like a ribbed version of that. Yeah, that feels good. Right, so the next part of the installation is fitting this part right here. This is kind of fun, you know. Decided to go with my own tools because the other one seems like it's gonna snap, so I'm using my own tools. No hate, I know it came free, but no hate. I'm gonna try here first. It's gonna be trial and error. Obviously every car is gonna be a little bit different, and this is the beauty of it. You can just play around until you find a position that's comfortable. So the last piece of the puzzle, we're gonna grab Mr. Thick Boy and we're gonna slide him in. Ooh, that noise. There's the Thick Boy. It sucks I can't see it. What do you guys think? It's as simple as that. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you like the look of this shifter. If you want to jazz up your interior and you want something a little bit different, something that feels well and something that feels good in the hand, then I recommend you go down and visit We Are Likewise. I'll have the link again down in the description below. It's very weighted now. It feels completely different to my Dragon Ball Z one. It didn't have any weight, but this feels awesome. So I'm going through the gears. It feels really good. Test, put my wheel on, driving along. Yeah, I think I've nailed the position right here. Drop a like on this video. Drop a like if you like the look of this. The likes help the videos a lot, and I appreciate you guys coming back and watching my videos. So yeah, this feels really cool. So here's one last look. It suits really, really well with the interior, I think. It's really nice. Yeah, someone said to me to address these doors. I might just do it. I plan on doing them. I was going to change the whole door card to black. I've also been thinking about actually removing the whole dashboard and changing the whole color to black fabric. I've got some samples on the way. I've got suede, I've got Alcantara, and a couple of other variety of fabrics that I'm going to try out. I really want to try and challenge myself because this is something I've never really done. So removing the dashboard, changing it black. I'll potentially want to change the seats at some point, but that's maybe later down the line. But yeah, I might tackle these door cards and just maybe do this section in Gucci, and maybe finish off this sort of sun visor thing, whatever you want to call it. Wrap that in Gucci as well, and just really tied up the interior. Progress is good. If you guys like the interior of my car, then yeah, went a bit squeaky there. I also adjusted the camber a little bit more. I know it's subtle, you can't really tell, but I added more camber. I just that's pretty flush right now, both sides. One thing I do have to do on this side is I have to pull out this section out a bit more. Seems like it's a little bit tight here compared to the other side, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I've got plenty of time. It shouldn't rub, it doesn't rub anyway, but for just my peace of mind. Yeah, so the car's coming along very, very nicely. Future video, I've got some spray paint coming in. I'm gonna be spraying my front lip. I'm gonna do it outside, so if you guys are interested in doing a DIY spray job, then come back to this channel and watch that video. I think it cost me like £60, so if you've got a front lip that you wanna spray at home, then I can show you that it's very, very doable. So that's a future video. I've got to do my tints at some point. But yeah, shift knob install complete. Right, so I actually went out for a test drive just to see how it felt. It feels really good. If you're watching this and you have an S2000, I recommend getting yourself something similar to this. Maybe not the exact make, or find someone that does, but I'm pretty sure wearelikewise are the only ones that do them with such good quality. So again, I can't stress it enough. If you want to go check them out, the link is down in the description below. So, but now I'm going to end today's video. I'm actually going to go ahead and wash the car. Yeah, it's not too sunny outside now, so I can actually get on and wash the car. I also bought all this stuff from Mad Cow. I really want to try them out. I've got loads of bunch of goodies in there that I want to get stuck in, and yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the rest of the day washing down the car. So I'm going to end it there, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you choose to come back again, and make sure to watch my previous video where I wrapped the interior panels in Gucci. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.